we're back again on the road.
21 days on the road, 4,000 Ks. Let's go into this adventure. Just about run out of fuel at one road, show you free campsites, and while watching the lot from rock to ocean.
We didn't do 600 kilometres.
City light and construction sound. I couldn't wait.
This is one of the easiest cameras that I have set up actually. Look at these bunch of Glarus.
I'm here, I'm filled with fear. In the mirror when I look at my face, all I see is an empty heart and broken dream. Oh, you got me cussing, yeah, I'm probably running, trying to get away from myself. I need a vacation, maybe medication. Do you think I need professional?
There's Shaz sitting there with me, and we're at what location? Shaz knows where we are.
Yeah, but I can't pronounce it.
She's got to look it up.
It's,
So we've been all day on the road.
we're 20 kilometres north of Mount Magnet in a gravel pit.
In a, oh, I wouldn't say a gravel pit. I'd say if you have a detector, you can go hunting for gold around here. There's looking good here, actually, this ground. Might pick up a little one or two. You never know. So we're camping here for the night. This is a free camp.
It is a free camp. I will let Ed know the name of it when he comes to make the movie because Starlinky's not on set.
Because we are on a destination unknown at the moment.
No plan, no itinerary, no bloody idea. That's
We
the name of this
just
trip.
took off today and we're off for 3 weeks. We're going around. We've got to make,
Linton Station on the 25th of July.
yes, for a birthday party, and from there on we'll go inland again. So we'll go around, up around the coast, see how far we can get, and we're
See
going
what
to
we
try
can do.
and do as many free camps as possible.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see if we can do it.
I was going to say something about the state of the economy and the political opinion, but we're not that kind of a channel.
It's on there now.
Well, you can take it off.
You know me, guys. I do not take anything out. I do not cut anything. What you hear and what you see is what you guys get.
So we're going to try and do as many free camps. I think we'll need one caravan park to load up with water and washing,
Maybe, yeah.
unless we can get water on the way somewhere. But we've got enough supplies for 3 weeks.
For 3 weeks supplies everywhere, and yeah, just gonna cost us fuel. See how we can do it. And I'll let you show you where we are. So Shaz's already having a beverage. So am I. And we're just set up here. Campfire's already going. We got here, all I had to do was put wood on it, because the last pricks didn't even put water on it. That must have been there from all morning. It's pretty hot, yeah. So, yeah, this is how you create fires in the outback, stuff like that. But there's not many trees around. So this is where we are. Sun's going down right there, as you see. We got Gibbo with us again. We're gonna try the Gibbo Pro. So the GoPro goes on Gibbo, and we're gonna give it a go. See how if I can click it up and you get Gibbo's world on video. Rightio, we're here. We're all hitched up still.
Oh, guess what?
What?
Got our new shirts on.
Oh yeah, Shaz got the new shirts on,
How cool.
as you see. Ed and Shaz logo,
And look.
and then the back all embroidered in. And yes,
What? I'm dancing.
I know, I was going to say that. She's dancing again like a yo-yo.
How's that? Fly hitting the sun. Sun's going down.
My winter coat stuck in the closet way back. I won't be needing that. I won't be needing that. I'm ready to fly down 65, hit the coastline.
And good morning, everyone. Hey Shaz, did you sleep well last night?
I'm in my jimmies.
There's Shaz in the jimmies. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Breakfast was.
And it's nice and warm in here, the diesel heater's on. And that's probably the noise that you hear. And the noise outside with the trucks, but when we're inside the caravan, no, couldn't hear much. Now, I'll give you guys a hint. I offered myself up last night and went through the Midgetes and just had a t-shirt on, and I got, well, the midges don't bite, they pee on you, right? And that gives you lumps and makes you itch like anything. Now, all over my arms, had them, right? Now, we've shown you this before, the outdoor spray. Essential oil from a product that's from an outdoor element, right? Does that work? Yes. So offer myself up, got peed on, had bumps and lumps everywhere on my arms, hard to not scratch. Put this on, right? Nothing. Disappeared. I still had the lumps and bumps. They're not here today anymore, but it works. Tell you what, if you want to know more about this product, just go to our link tree on the more button and go through our shops. Oh guys, this camp area, I'll just go and put the drone up for you, show you what it's like with the main highway. So we're going to go off to Mika. Want to see if we can get to some nice free camp areas. That's our goal. Free camp areas. We've got to have one where we've got to fuel up, do our washing, and be in a caravan park. And you know me, I don't like caravan parks, but we'll have to.
Make me sweat.
Right, we're on the side of the road, right, and we've got the travel buddy going. We're going to have a drink, and we're between Mika and
Kumarina. I know I butchered that, sorry.
She butchered that.
And we're having
Nachos.
enchiladas.
So, open the budgie. I've only had it on light. Oh, that's hot.
It's been in the oven.
Okay. Right, we're gonna eat this and then we'll make tracks again. Okay, guess what?
We didn't do 600 kilometres.
600, so we
We
don't.
went back to our normal 350. Old habits die young, die hard.
I needed a beer and I needed to stop. So it's 2 o'clock.
Yep, it's 2 o'clock and we're at Gascoyne River South Branch campsite, and she is a little ripper.
Yeah.
It'll take you around because I'm preparing dinner.
Right. Puts me in it all the time. Right. Got the campfire going because
It's hot.
yeah, I know it's hot wood, isn't it? So we are going to put a chook on in the Dutch oven. That's why I got the fire going already.
Do a pot roast chook.
Yep. In the Dutch oven. Shaz's gonna chop it up.
Due to a technical issue, we're back.
We had to go behind the camera and say what we were really doing because it turned into gibble. That's
The
what
basic-
happens. No, this is what happens when you spend too long on the road looking at trucks.
And they're big trucks. What do they call the things on the back of the trucks? Are they dogs?
I wouldn't have a clue.
Or trailers? But
You
there's,
can hear them in the background.
But there's 4 of them. And there's been all these pilot vehicles moving all these gigantic excavators and mining equipment, south and north.
and road work.
Yeah, and then you add in a bit of road work.
And then you're staying there for about 15-20 minutes before you're allowed to move.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh well, we're into it, right?
But it was a nice drive, and we found some nice little spots, and we've pinged them along the way.
Yeah.
Like we had breakfast and dinner and lunch at 2 different spots. So yeah.
As you say, we cooked some of the what's names in the. What are you calling?
Oh, we had enchiladas in the travel buddy, but Ed was too hungry to show you what they looked like. I did make a mistake though, I'll admit it. I froze the enchiladas and then I put them in the travel buddy. Don't do that, they turn out sloppy and bendy. So your best bet is to make them the night before and put them in the travel buddy not frozen. Then they come out
Not
crispy.
frozen. And I put it on 80, just so because we were travelling around, so no drive. Okay, I'll put the drone up here too, show you guys what it's like. Put the drone up at the last spot. All right, there's some people around here actually.
Running after without knowing what I'm chasing. Don't wanna be a lonely man. Gotta get out of this dangerous land. If my hand stops shaking, I'll try a little more.
Roast is on. Veggies are on.
I'm just a broken man.
Gibbos, a blue heeler,
Turning into a red heel.
into red heeler. He's been surfing all day in the car, so now he's buggered.
But there's a bed there.
Yeah, perfectly good bed there.
A king's bed.
So what's Gibbo done? Laying on his. So far we've got free camping, free firewood, and having an excellent time. And the chook's cooked
It didn't burn.
on that. What the shows us say?
It didn't burn.
It didn't burn.
And neither did the veggies. We've had a walk, we've done exercises, but you haven't seen that because there's no proof. And the dogs had a play. There's no midges. And it's a really nice little spot.
Yeah. No midges, no wind, oh, a little bit of wind. Having a bevy. Shaz having a bevy. Doing social media. Check Shaz out on Instagram. She's going bonkers at the moment on Instagram. She's
A little bit excited. We're just coming through Kew. And up here in the caravan park, you'll see these little old buildings come through. You can see them right now. Those little buildings are the single man quarters from Big Bell mine site. How cool is that?
yes, a little bit excited just as we're going through towns. And she's doing a bit of filming. All right, cheerio. We've got the campfire going for tonight. We've got a bit of wood here and we're gonna chill out. Oh, don't forget on the 17th, isn't it? 17, all the planets are lining up.
Yeah, all the planets aligned, so we're going to be able to take some sky shots. How exciting.
Yeah, Shaz took some sky shots last night. Bloody magnificent. And we got a unpacking coming up in this episode. We do. The camera.
Yeah, a little secret one that we've been testing for someone.
Yes. And we'll tell you all about it when we show you this. When we unwrap it.
That's really mean. I don't like when people do that to me on other YouTube channels. We've got this thing that we've been testing and that we've been doing, but we can't tell you.
Oh, but we will tell you shortly.
Tonight I'm praying with a little bit more listening and a lot less saying. I used to be a wandering man.
See that beautiful fire out there? I don't know what's in that wood, but it's so friggin' hot that our dinner cooks so quickly, so we had to improvise. So our improvisation was that our cooked chook and our cooked vegetables are now a chicken and roast vegetable soup with Mingle's lemon pepper and garlic herb, and of course old mate Goldie olive oil, best olive oil I've ever had, and it's come up a real treat. So a disaster actually worked out, and whatever's left we can freeze down and make maybe a pie or just freeze it down for tomorrow. So yeah, absolutely, I'm stoked because it's just so many goodies in there. And see this? This is one of our homegrown lemons. How beautiful are they? They're not as lemony as normal lemons. They're like a lemonade lemon, but they do just a good trick. So yeah, it's not over to the fat lady sing. This lady ain't singing. So yeah, dinner's still on the table.
I think you should treat yourself. I know you were thinking about it, and you were like, oh, I don't know. Do it. Do it. Who's gonna stop you? Me? No. You? No. A man?
Oh, good day guys. Here's some upcoming footage for part 2 of the series that we're setting out for the 21 days, 4,000 Ks travel. You'll be guided to Tiger Eye, Paul and Caravan in the next movie, and we hope you enjoy it and hope to see you guys again. Safe travels and see you guys on the road. Thanks for watching.
Long friggin' day. She was a bone shaker. If I had false teeth, they wouldn't be there, and if I didn't have a sports bra on, I'd have black eyes because it was just mental, absolutely mental.